Before you get into today's spelling activity, the first thing you want to do is listen to the spelling words in the second video. The next thing you're going to do is click the link at the bottom of the page to open up a blank Google Doc. Then you're going to title that Google Doc with your name and 9.6 spelling. After that, what you're doing with the words is sorting each word by its ending. So there's going to be a category for each word. It's either going to be a word that ends with AR or ER or OR, or it's going to have some other ending that doesn't fit the first three categories. Once you're finished sorting, the last thing you're going to do is share your Google Doc with me so I can check over your work and give you feedback.